And oftentimes the storytelling, which is very helpful and healing and necessary, can get us in conflict with each other, especially if we don't agree politically or religiously, or we come from different countries and cultures, we don't understand each other's language, so there's inherent conflict in connection. That's always the case. There's always going to be the opposite of one action as part of that same action. That's just the dual reality we live in on this planet, in this rock that is floating in space, right? It seems to be like that for our sensual body. Whatever is your story, right, that makes sense to you here, we're going to use it to go back to a source of quiet. And I think this is very important, especially in justice work, social justice work, for all of us as change makers, because Michelle, you also do a lot of important work this way with your students in your work. It's so important to be able to rest. And not to rest as in falling asleep or spacing out or not being conscious, but rest as nourishing rest.